So is a motor the same thing as a generator? I don't know. Let's find out. For this experiment, you're going to need a larger motor than usual, not the hobby motors. You're actually going to need one of the high-speed 9 to 18 volt DC motor. Now, if you have one that's about 12 volts, that'll work as well. It's the coil and the magnets on the inside that we need to be larger than usual. In addition to a motor, you're also going to need an LED. This experiment actually works best if you have an LED that's bipolar, meaning that if you put electricity through one way, it lights up green, and if you put electricity through the other way, it lights up red. So it actually has two different colors depending on which way the current is going through the LED. So let me show you how to do this. It's very simple. So take your motor and open up the tabs on the end and go ahead and insert your LED, one of the legs of the LED in each tab, and fold it over so it stays attached like this, and do one for each side. You can use a pair of pliers if you need help. Okay, so your LED is now attached to your motor tabs, and that's it. Let's see if we can make this light bulb light up. Notice that the LED is lighting up green, and when I twist it the other way, it's just giving a brief flash of red. So what's going on? This is a motor. Motors and generators are the same thing, it's just how you use them that's different. See, if I take the LED off and I put a battery back here, and I plug this into power, well, the shaft's going to turn. So I'm taking electricity, and the motor is transforming electricity into motion, into a rotation. If instead I rotate the shaft, I now get electricity here. So by running a motor backwards, if I were to say put a propeller on here and stick the propeller into a fast-moving airstream, say from a hairdryer, it's going to rotate the shaft really fast. And if it's fast enough and generate enough electricity, you can power things with it. It's easiest just to turn it with your hand, but you can get creative in different ways to do it. I've had the best luck by adding a propeller onto it, a 2 or 3 blade airplane propeller, and then using the blow feature on my shop vac or my regular household vacuum cleaner. Go ahead and give that a try.